How to fix Snapchat black screen issue on iPhone. Firstly, open App Store on your device and search for Snapchat app. Look for any updates that may be available for the Snapchat app. If there are updates available, click on the update option to update your app. After checking for updates, go back to your main page. Now open Settings on your device. In your settings, scroll down to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you should see the option called Apps. Click on Apps option. Now scroll down to S section and find Snapchat. Click on the Snapchat app. Make sure that you have turned on necessary options and also check for any kind of errors or alerts. Now go back to your settings page. Click on the General option. Scroll down and select the option iPhone Storage. All the apps that are installed on your device will be right here. Go to Snapchat and click on Offload app. Select the option Offload app from the bottom. Now again, go back. Click on the option Software Update. Check for any kind of updates that may be available for your iPhone. If there are updates available, then update your device. Also, make sure to check if this issue is only for Snapchat or for other apps. That's all for today. Thank you.